Emin Energy, proud supporter of Morphic-Realms. Contact Christina with code ZENDOG, get 20% off your first session and get your pets moving again. Servicing the South Coast and ACT areas. Welcome to Morphic-Realms. This is a different episode today. We're doing a camp trip. It's my sister and I's Earth Day. We've got my father and my brother coming later. We got all the hounds. We've got Dr. Zen here for a ride. And the weather's mint. We had a beautiful weekend, so stick around, see what we got up to. And throw down a comment, like and subscribe. We'd appreciate that. And let's get into it. Let's see what the dogs are at least having for breakfast anyway. It looks a bit suspicious. Let's have a look.
Is that porridge? Oh, hang on, you're putting drugs in it. Shit. Wheel. I don't know about this meal. You might go to some different planet. Now what's this last ingredient? It says magic on the bottle. Yep, okay. Canine Surgicals. Using the animal drugs. He's having withdrawals, he needs his drugs. You know how many pills he's gone through. Addict. You're an addict, Gary. Gary, you're an addict, and that's why you're in jail. You just can't be trusted alone. No, he knows how to just stay clean. Let's get some water, hey? Alright, Wheel. Get some drinking water. Come on. So good morning, everybody. Got a little bit of a different episode coming up today. For those unaware, it's mine and my sister's Earth Day very shortly. A significant one at that. Keep the exact numerology under wraps, but I'm sure you can figure it out if you're a smart person. We've made our way down to Yadboro Flats Campground. We came here last night in the dark. Just two of us, and we're waiting for my brother and my father to arrive later this afternoon. If they don't get lost, hopefully they should be okay. It's one of the free campsites that's sort of close by that's actually really good to bring your dog. It's quite beautiful. At the moment we've got no one around except for a few other campers, which is great. And the river is absolutely pumping, it looks amazing. I'm going to come down here and fill up my jerry can. And we'll explore around a little bit later. But look at this, mate, it is flowing. That's magic. The last time I came here, this was all but a trickle. And he's off. Fuck it. So we'll go for a little walk around the campground. See what's around, see what sites are sort of set up. Got our mate Liam over there. Thanks Liam for coming and introducing yourself. Seemed like a friendly guy. Got old mate over there set up next to us, and there he is. Oi. How's the birds?
really nice here. How you going, Will? What do you think? Boy? Where are you taking me? Where are you taking me? I'm sniffing. This way? You've obviously had quite a bit of flow through here. Look at the water levels, man. That's like up here, that's above my head. So look at that. I'm at least 3 meters above where the water's currently at. So see, come through here, look at that. So it was really nice to see the river flowing. It's been quite a few years since I was out at Yadboro the last time. And she's definitely looking a lot more healthy in the river area. Crystal clear water, freezing fucking cold though. Lovely memory, your life is a blessing, your memory a treasure. Your love beyond words and miss beyond measure. Silly Bell. 24th of 3rd, 2006 to the 1st of 7th, 2020. Rest in peace, Silly Bell.
It's just really pristine, hey. Nice, away from everyone. It's quiet. You gotta love the bush and a creek, mate. You gotta love the bush and a fast flowing creek. Like, it's so nice that there's no one out here. Have a little wander up on the left side of the campgrounds.
I was actually really impressed by the condition of the campgrounds.
Have a look.
Just the overall condition was good to see, and the fact that there was nobody around when we got there was even better. And just looking nice and green, like it was pretty pristine.
I can't believe that there's just no one around. The 3 campers that are here are all on that side, including us. Honestly. Today is Friday, so we'll see what the afternoon brings in. But the feeling, you got this winter and everything, people kind of shy away from bush camping a little bit. But mate, you can come down, have a fire, be by the creek, immerse yourself in a bit of nature. And just enjoy the serenity.
Okay, it's time for some form of breakfast. Got my mug. That's what we want, brother. One of these. We can do like that. Important part, chocolate. I need some of that milk substance. See what the old fridges be holding.
I don't drink cow's milk. It tastes like shit. And yeah, I avoid dairy products mostly, so oat's milk it is.
Barista oat. Mate, say what you want about oat milk. Yeah. It's a vegan, it's fucking... You can't milk oats. Oats are a plant, blah, blah, blah. It's the only thing that tastes nice in cacao, so that's why I drink it. So, yeah, fuck yourself. And usually this brand, with its putrid veggie oil in it, and all this other rubbish, I would not buy. But this was more a case of desperation. Doesn't even froth up. Come on, what is this? Barista. Call yourself a barista, oat milk. Feel like it's a little bit of a scam, that one. Alright. Give you a verdict. It's a nice wall. Look, it tastes alright. Tastes alright.
First to arrive is my little brother. We had a bit of a bet going on if it would be my father or him rocking up first.
Congratulations, mate. You've beat the large mite.
Took 20 minutes off my monkey mountain road time.
And if you like that shirt he's wearing, contact me because I make those, and I've got plenty of designs.
You've got bulbs on the back there, mate.
I just don't like polyester t-shirts, so I don't really make them.
Oh, maniac style, mate. You came ripping into the bloody campground like a fucking kangaroo on fire.
Trident driver.
Needed.
Had a bit of Chinese chainsaws with rubbish carburetors that aren't tuned properly and old fuel.
Mate, we're about to have a massive protein meal. And you're having plus protein.
Yeah.
And you're eating banana on toast, so highly energy.
Almond butter?
And almond butter.
Yeah.
Dad's not here, so it's only me and we all eating chicken. And potato.
It'll be out 3 hours.
Nah. It's not even 4:30. Mate. Not even 4:30. Yeah, we've got time for beer damper. Oh yeah, I better make my beer better before I drink my beer. Dad's gonna bring beer, isn't he?
Yeah.
Steal
On a
his
side
beer.
note, we didn't actually make any beer damper,
He'd probably bring shit beer anyway.
and Dad didn't even bring any beer.
In them. No. It's gonna be delicious. Alright, I'm gonna cut potato into chip-like structure. Question, where is Dad? Supposed to be here at lunchtime? He is nowhere to be seen. And this music is, but hey, it's on. It's doing its thing.
As expected, Dad was fashionably late. No surprises. We're actually surprised he got there on that day and not the next day.
We had a bet on.
Ready? An hour off. Oh shit. I went by a bedman's bed.
Why? You're going extra south.
What this shit is that?
Everyone's. Yeah, the park one, but
Oh, I want to try that I had.
you can't. You can't.
Why not?
There's stuff there.
I'll hold it.
Stop him.
Of course, he had to park right in the middle of our
trying to box
campsite
this
instead
in.
of where we would have liked him to. And for that,
Just
there were consequences
go
later on.
backward.
You shall see.
I want to like forward for my head.
Rubbing your
Lots of
shit.
Garbage in our street. The parking spot is now sometimes I could park there.
Taking up the space.
Anyway,
You got a quiet chainsaw. It's good. He bought a forest with him.
take that one.
And a chemical plant.
Rainforest.
It'll burn. Thanks, Dad. Good work. Let's cook up a feed, eh? It's our deluxe dinner. It looks very deluxe.
Yeah.
Just rub some oil into it, eh? Get a bit of Olay oil. Fucking rub it in, mate. Make bribing. Yeah, you gotta give him some. Sense some sort of bribery going on here.
So I made some pretty good charcoal chicken and sweet potato chips that were deep fried in coconut and avocado oil. Keep us healthy, you know, as can be. Spiced it all up, and it was
Same
a pretty
way.
good meal.
When I stop to have a look at my instructions, then I expected it further down.
Yum, get the chicken juice off your hand, bro. 'Cause it's disgusting. Let's fire it up on the coals. Better get those chips going. Spicy Korean barbecue. So we go. Keep dropping me salad. That's alright, huh? I'm glad you made it for dinner, Dad. I weren't gonna wait for you. So, yeah, charcoal chicken. Some coconut avocado oil chippies. Let's try this
The
chicken.
model is your car, please.
96. Yum. That's not bad.
Do you know that guy over there?
Yeah, it's got mine.
And that guy over there?
I don't know. Don't.
You know how we came here last night? And it was like just... It was just like me and you. Wait a minute, did you invite them?
No.
Sorry mate, I didn't get your name. What was your name, mate?
Definitely not Liam.
No, he's different to Liam, he's got a Triton. Sorry, mate, what was your name? Taipan Pete. That sounds pretty lethal, like Taipan Pete. Yeah, mate. And you? Sorry, mate, what was your name?
Yeah.
Silent Bob. Okay. No worries, Silent Bob.
Deadly combination.
So yeah, this
Taipan
nice
Pete.
shovel we got there, Taipan Pete.
Silent Bob.
You can take that everywhere. Bury a few bodies, mate. Never. I don't know, mate. I don't know if I think you're telling the truth or not. He looks like he buried it. Is he your accomplice? What are these barrels? Sorry, hang on. Did you guys bring these? What are these, Chris? Have you seen these? They've brought these along. And I'm pretty sure I saw a chainsaw somewhere. I'm a little bit concerned. But I'm still concerned. I mean, I've got it. I think you want to leave. I think he wants to leave that here and drive off in that. Shit. Wheel. You make sure nothing happens. You watch out for these two. Alright, good boy. Take the stuff.
So the danger stick came out, and my sister's a little bit better at it than I, so yeah, the consequences came from my father, let's put it that way. He was very trusting, so good on him.
Alright, mate. Who put this stack of pallets here?
Sorry Dad, but I couldn't help myself.
Alright. I'll try not to.
You look pretty cold, so thought I'd warm you up.
You say you're cold? That what Dad said?
Dad was too. That's so close.
Yeah. There's hitting and there's close. Oh, he's dangerous wheel, isn't he?
Starting the tug of 4 months up. Back off work, it's winter time. Nighttime we went spotlighting looking for foxes.
Shot a child in the car.
Yeah. Say that again.
The car broke down. It wouldn't start again. It's fucked. We couldn't get it started. Dead. Anyway.
These are the moments I really appreciate with my family. It's just nice to sit down by the fire and let Dad talk and tell his stories. He's a lot more open than my mother, and he's willing to sort of go into detail about things that we don't normally hear about, and because we don't see him that often, it's always enjoyable to just sit back and let him have a yarn.
Skates along, put it on, right now, it started good. There was a crack in the distributor crack. Never knew how to get out of it, but especially that could be the fault, you know. And I wouldn't have seen that crack, you know. It was all spark plug engine, distributor cap, you know. It was very simple. But yeah, we could have gone home that night if you knew anything about that.
I know, I made a fucking jumbo cigar.
Point to your face. Stop moving it.
Close up of that. Fucking really like.
When have you smoked your last cigarette? But
An hour or so ago.
have you ever tried to smoke?
No.
No? Didn't even try it?
No. Just tried it plenty of times next to you.
You thought you might like it?
I had plenty in the van.
Not bad.
Your van. Yeah.
Bullshit.
You ready?
Good. Oh, ready. I don't want to burn my fucking face.
So a few more of the consequences that we warned, or maybe we didn't warn him about, taking place right in this moment. Funny thing is, he didn't even fucking know. He was having his wine and having a good time.
Work? Yeah, quick. That's my good.
Watch out for the explosion. I'll check another
Is that tobacco? Tobacco?
Not that. Yeah. Not yet.
Not yet.
Cigarette.
Hey.
Cigarette.
That one.
Yeah.
Badly
Glad none of
You've
you
ruined it.
smoking or never.
I know I could smell it,
I was smoking up for all of you.
and it's not like he's never tried it, so it wasn't one of those sly
Quite glad about it.
Have a
give
cigarette
stuff to
for
people that have never had it, but he likes to talk the walk, so we let him walk the talk.
Roll it.
There's my pocket card.
Pat had enough in the van.
I haven't had one yet.
Actually, I gave up. First in the last year, I wasn't smoking anymore.
I know, I could see that.
He's quit smoking a lot of times,
How's your cracking, Chris?
still hasn't quit.
I have to open that second bottle.
Enjoying his cigar spliff though.
The Ingolf and Xena.
Yeah.
He wasn't the only one though. There was high vibes all around the campfire that night.
Sina, first thing
thanks
she
to a
asked me when I
Dynavape.
came here, I think I was here for one day. Because she was everything annoyed me in those days. Isn't it lovely? The lovely sky, lovely building, lovely this and lovely that and love everything. And she asked me, did you love your mother? And I said no. You know, honestly can say no, I didn't. Maybe a bit unfair because, but see when
But
you
that's the feeling you
when
have,
asked
don't,
of age
isn't it?
and she did things
Oh, fuck, that's hot.
to me and said things to me. I said no, I didn't love it. Very, very simple.
That's fair enough.
And I tried to explain it to him, but she never forgave me. Bad books from day one.
Sometimes people don't have the understanding of where other people come from, you know.
Anyway, she could have tried to explain why. No, I know she did a good job. She had a hard life, 8 children, and
Well, you can.
fight during the war. During the war, while bombs were falling down everywhere, and the house, you're going down the cellar and you come out, the house is not there anymore. A lot of drama, a lot of, no. But my experience was, yes, okay, we haven't got bombs falling anymore, nothing, no drama. And I don't do anything really bad, I never did. I was always a good boy, except taking a bike, no, but that was a bit later. But in the early days, I didn't like it.
And cops and projections, but that's where you can't explain it to some people. They don't get it. Some people do, you know. So
In some ways, it might have been the way I didn't like what, well, you know, what she said to me. I mean, plenty of I could could translate or repeat it. But what the way she treated my dad. Not treated him, but my dad basically worked 6 days a week, every day, summer, winter, never had a day off. I can't remember him having a holiday, and delivering his wages to feed the family. That's what he did.
Yeah.
And he went on the weekend, when the day off, he went to different places and did a bit of home renovation, like cutting a window, or whatever. He was always busy, always working, and every now and then he liked a bottle of beer, and my mother would criticize that. And he liked his smokes, okay?
So it was really nice to just hear Dad talk about his childhood, because none of us have ever met any of our other family from my dad's side. Most of them have passed away, and none of them are in this country. So yeah, it was just good to let him have his piece and conversate about what was on his mind and how he felt as a young kid, and give us a bit of insight to what it was like growing up as a young German fella.
Definitely had a decent flood through here.
I'm really looking forward to coming back to Yadboro in the warmer months and having a swim, even though we went for a swim while we're here. I'd much prefer to go when the water is actually inviting. Time to get in the water, and as cold as it was well worth it. It was probably 8 to 10 degrees Celsius in that water. Not really my thing, but enjoyed it anyway.
Cold at all. Jump in. Wouldn't feel like that.
Christina had to rescue a silly hound Gary, also known as Ivor, because he went floating downstream with the current like a goose. All was well though. just want to shout out my brother and my sister and my father. Thanks for coming along. I hope we can do this way more often. Once a year is just not enough. But regardless, much appreciated for making it happen, guys.
I'm more out of the top of my feet. My fucking feet are like quite dumb. Feet. I can't feel my feet. Feel my feet. Feel my feet. So that was a little chilly. I won't lie, but I think it was worth doing. Feeling a little bit shady. Now I feel alright. Hiya! Gumby.
So time for a bit of a rip on Dr. Zen. I didn't bring him for nothing. Unfortunately my brother didn't bring his bike because it's still not running. But hey, ain't gonna stop me going for a strap. Let's thump.
Watch out for velociraptors. They're in here. Tobacco? Yadboro Heights. Tree fall on you. Oh, mate. That's a mushroom. Unknown variety. Smells like. Yeah, nah. Smells like. Bob's dead. You got him? You? Good.
If you're enjoying these videos and you feel inclined to contribute and make them better and help me out in any way, I have a Buy Me a Coffee page link below, and also a Monero wallet address that you can add funds to if you feel the need, and any contribution is much appreciated. Alright, we're off everyone. That's our camp. Packed up. Been here since Thursday, and we're heading off. Good spot. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Hope you've enjoyed this little episode. Catch us in the next episode. If you made it this far, please give us a like, throw a comment down, and click that subscribe button.